Still at home recovering from shoulder surgery, but my detailer went beast mode this time. We got back from Utah and out there for Trail Hero. Oh, it's hard when you only got one shoulder. So he cleaned up the engine, and that's where I mounted my PSC vent. But the impressive part was I had little scratches and everything that had come up on the Evo covers. He polished them up. My frame was always faded black. He's trying new products, so he's done a number in there. Got rid of all the sand. My radio I had before Trail Hero that even Rugged was surprised I had, but I had it before they were even able to have them at the show. And then up under there. Yeah. I'm gonna have to get Adam, that one dude, trim that off for me. I don't think my frames ever looked this shiny, even when it was brand new. But all the stains and everything are gone. You got all the stains out of the Kings, shined them all up. Even the lower control arms. If it wasn't for my shoulder, I'd lay underneath. I can't believe he went up underneath, and it looks like this all the way underneath. So, looking good. I guess they got new covers coming out for these, or they're out. I'll be getting those. And then we move on to these bad boys. I gotta get healed. Pegasus needs to grow. So Justin, Crash Fab, got me these through Fusion 4x4. So 60 front and rear. I didn't go crazy like that Money Pit 949 and that Adam guy and everybody else. Didn't do 14 bolt in the front. I don't think I'll regret it. I'm not going to take mine out and thrash it up like they do. I'm not going to cut my stuff up. Well, I shouldn't say that, because Justin will put her under the knife again next year sometime. And we'll switch over from the Kings and go on to Ori. My axles will be going under my daughter's rig when she gets it, because we're going to pick her up a Sport. Or if we can find a Rubicon for a good enough price. But these are already trussed, gusseted. Got all the chrome ollies in it, 513s in them already. She'll get my wheels, tires, basically lift my Jeep in the air and take everything off and start spreading parts to everybody. Since we seem to have a prevalence for sit there and passing down parts between all the rigs up here in Sonora. But she's coming along. It's kind of different without the half doors and top on it again. I was really getting used to that look. But we do have supposedly weather coming in, wet weather. And me and Adam are too big to fit in the garage, too tall. So in Adam's case, John from Money Pit 949 hooked him up with a cover. So the cover will go on when he gets back. But that's how she's looking at the moment. I went and actually drove the other day, and probably shouldn't have, because I don't have any function out of the left arm very well. But The only way I got in was because of the rock slide engineering. Yep. Love them things.